Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the repo open in Vscode, so start by confirming repository state. Open the source control panel and glance at the current branch name shown at the bottom left. Once done, run git status in the integrated terminal to see uncommitted changes. Make sure you commit or stash anything you need to keep. This first step prevents conflicts later and prepares Vscode to switch branches cleanly without losing work or creating merge surprises. Now switch branches using the branch picker. Click the current branch in the lower left status bar. A searchable list appears. Type to filter and choose an existing local branch or select remote branches under remote/origin to create a local tracking branch. If the branch exists only remotely, Vscode prompts to check out and create it locally. Make sure to pull or fetch first so you switch into an up-to-date branch and avoid working on stale code. Finally, verify the branch change by checking the status bar and viewing the git log or source control view. If Vscode refuses to switch because of local changes, stash them with git stash or commit them, then try again. Once done, apply the stash if needed. If the UI misbehaves, open the integrated terminal and run git switch branch name or git checkout branch name as a fallback. A quick troubleshooting tip: run git fetch origin first to ensure remote branches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.